Now we're going to do another exercise with the pivot table. We're going to consider again this area, and we're going to create another pivot table here, another worksheet. Okay, pivot table analysis. Okay, and we're going to do here, we have years and we have quarters. Okay, then we have the sales representative here, and the columns and the totals here, and the sum of the total with a grand total. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to check pivot table options. Okay, show grand totals for rows. No. Okay, then we have to right click here and field settings, layout and print, show item labels in tabular form, and click on OK. And so we have the quarters in this direction. Okay, then I'm gonna home here, the format is dollars. Okay, so we have our table. Now we're going to do some filters. We're going to include insert a slicer using the region. Okay, here we are. Okay, that's nice. We have a slicer. Okay, so we created a pivot table with a slicer. Okay, and we get this. Okay, then we need to do another show grand totals per row, also per column. Okay, now I'm going to create a chart out of the pivot table, but not selecting the pivot table. I will create an ordinary chart, and I will explain you why. Okay, I have this one, and I select data. I'm going to add the grand total. Here we are. Then I'm going to add, for example, this one. Okay. So then change data type, chart type, sorry. And I'm going to combo, yeah, like this. Then I'm going to select data and add this one. Okay, and here we are. We have two lines now. We're gonna change this format. Okay, this is the line that I want. This line is, I'm gonna make it like this. No, sorry, like this. Okay, and the second one, here we are. We have this. And this is going to be format axis millions. Good. Then I'm going to add, select data, edit. I'm gonna input this. Yes, here we are. Gonna put. Okay, now I'm going to check the chart title, and here is sales representative performances. Okay, then I'm gonna click on move chart, and I'm gonna put this in the dashboard. So here we are. We have this here. Okay, I don't want this here for the moment. I want to have it here. Okay, here we are. Now we're going to see what happens if we're going to change. It works, you see. It works also if I'm using this. Okay, this is the first graph that we're going to consider. Then we are going to create other graphs and other pivot table from the same data. And I will show you then how to display this in the dashboard.